Know before you go. Traveling to Poland. A journey through history and culture. Poland, nestled in the heart of Europe, beckons travelers with a rich tapestry of history, vibrant culture, and picturesque landscapes. From the medieval charm of its cities to the tranquility of its rural countryside, Poland offers a diverse and immersive travel experience. Historical landmarks. Krakow. Begin your journey in Krakow, a city steeped in history. Explore the Royal Castle on Wawel Hill, stroll through the medieval Old Town, and visit the poignant Auschwitz-Birkenau concentration camp for a sobering reminder of the past. Warsaw. The capital city, Warsaw, boasts a reconstructed Old Town, a testament to its resilience after World War II. The Royal Castle, Wilanów Palace, and the Poland Museum of the History of Polish Jews are must-visit landmarks. Cultural exploration. Wrocław. Known for its picturesque market square and the iconic Centennial Hall, Wrocław offers a blend of Gothic and Baroque architecture. The city's numerous bridges and islands make for a charming exploration. Gdańsk. Immerse yourself in Gdańsk's maritime history as you wander through the colorful facades of Long Market and visit the impressive Gdańsk Crane. The nearby seaside town of Sopot provides a relaxing retreat. Natural beauty. Tatra Mountains. Nature lovers can venture to the Tatra Mountains for breathtaking landscapes and outdoor activities. Zakopane, a popular mountain resort, offers hiking, skiing, and a taste of traditional Highland culture. Białowieża Forest. Explore Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its ancient woodland and being home to the European bison, a symbol of the region's natural heritage. Culinary delights. Indulge in Poland's hearty cuisine, featuring pierogi, dumplings, kielbasa, sausage, and traditional dishes like bigos, hunter's stew, and zurek, sour rye soup. Don't forget to try the iconic Polish desserts like punchki and sernik. Festivals and events. Plan your visit around cultural events like the Pierogi Festival in Krakow, the St. Dominic's Fair in Gdańsk, or the International Chopin Piano Competition in Warsaw to immerse yourself in Poland's lively festivities. Practical tips. Poland uses the Polish zloty, PLN, as its currency. English is widely spoken in major cities, but learning a few Polish phrases can enhance your experience. The country has an efficient and extensive public transportation system, including trains and buses. Warm hospitality. Experience the warmth of Polish hospitality as you interact with locals, known for their friendliness and eagerness to share their cultural traditions. Conclusion. Traveling to Poland is a journey through time, a celebration of resilience, and an exploration of diverse landscapes. Whether you're captivated by its historical landmarks, cultural richness, or natural beauty, Poland invites you to embrace its unique charm and make lasting memories in this enchanting European destination. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.